on in, guys. Come on in. I'm just waiting for more people. And then we'll start our mukbang. Yep. I see you guys. Yes. So I just have to wait for a little bit more. And then when I see more people, we'll start the mukbang. Okay. Se kope mai lela. I'm not going to mukbang, guys. I'm just pretending that I'm doing a live on Facebook. Haha. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well since the last time I spoke to you guys. Today I have some, like a little smorgasbord for myself. Yes, I got some dessert and some Sunday today, guys. Praise the Lord for another full week. That's all we can do is keep praising God for His love upon us. Okay, guys, so let me tell you what's on the menu today. Okay, first of all, it's sapsui. Yes, still hot. Well, hot, warm, hot. Straight to the dessert, and this is bolingi and custard. Hey, oh. And on the other side is another dessert. It's a fa usi fa pa pa. I didn't make it, guys. Look at this fork. Get over here, next to the spoon. Like like geeky gilly. I know, right? And here I have crab meat, the fake crab meat Faye. Crab meat Faye. Okay, so there's coconut cream in it. And I'll have a galo, guys. I didn't chop it up because, you know, us islanders, we like to break our galo sometimes. Yes, we sure do. We sure do. Especially when it comes out of the umu and it's hot, fresh. Ooh, la. Okay, and I have one more food. Mamoe. Filet mokengi with mamoe, and that's lamb, guys. Let me tell you the story about this. So I walked into the Blackett petrol station. I walked there looking for the food, got a galo there, this roast galo, and then I saw the filet mokengi. There weren't much left in the Bay Marine thing, but I thought, oh, okay, I'll get me some of that, and then I will pay for my galo, look around for some more. This guy was before me. He had picked this, and then he went. The lady asked him this question. Is that all? And then he looks down like, and I'm standing right in front of the pumpkin section of the Bay Marine. And I'm standing there, and he looks over, and I'm thinking, I hope he got some pumpkin, because there's not much left. Anyway, he walks down, and I'm thinking, no, not the pumpkin, please. And then he goes, oh, yeah, a big pumpkin, please. A big pumpkin even. And I looked at it and I thought, yeah, that's only enough for a big pumpkin. So I thought to myself, oh my God. Anyway, so I pretend I was looking at the fish next door. When he said he wanted that last bit of pumpkin mamoe, filet mamoe, I thought. So I pretend to look over at the fish. Yes, I pretend to look at the fish. I wasn't even looking back at the pumpkin. Guys, I was so, I was embarrassed. Small. And he said a big one. Oh, so I missed out. Okay, but lucky for me, there was another shop just next door. So I went there, and they had heaps. Yeah. Rude. Anyway, guys, I gotta get this prayer going. We always gotta send thanks to the good Lord for providing all this beautiful food and giving us our life, of course. Okay, Ai la ia. Oi, se fia tau tala le leo, le teine. Okay, prayer time, guys. Now we've done our prayer, guys. It's time to dig into this beautiful food. So I've got 3 salties, 2 sweetie, and 1 hard galo. Pink. Oi, ele maro kelia. Yeah. This is a beautiful galo. Reminds me of my dad when he used to do his galos in our oven. Guys, vai. Feel lulu ale le pea vela. Ai, koe le vela. But it feels vela, guys. Stop it. I'm just still thinking about that man taking a big pumpkin. Man, you know your sister was standing there and you took it all. Ukiki out. Nah. I got heaps of food. See? It's good to always go and support, guys. I support down the bottom. I support up the top. I support is good to support, because when you're lazy to cook, at least our Polytube people are out there to do their things and to show their love and their cooking. Okay, I'm going to start with this pumpkin because this gave me a little hard time this morning. Anyway, it's mighty good. I don't know, a Poly family that hasn't had this, you know, especially us Samoans, because, you know, our parents make it. Yeah, like a kala ele vakusto bite. This is your fellas. Yep. Yep, sharing is caring, guys. Oh, it's delicious. When I make this, I like to put a lot of garlic. I know. It's lovely. Nah, I don't caro edition. Sorry. Hope you guys got something to eat. I was just thinking, everyone's just having their gourmet. I can just imagine it. Anyway, this is my own little smorgasbord. I left some for the others out there. I like this. People say it's fake crab. I don't care. I'll eat it. Delicious. So thank you to the hands that made these. Cheers, guys. Yep, there's your fellas up sweet. These food is a little undersalted, but it's good that way. I like how they sell it like that. Maybe it's an accident, but it should be like this. So then you can take your food home and salt it the way you want, rather than someone that's not having so much salt in their diet, and you know, it's good for them. And then for us people that like a bit more salt, we can take it home and salt it. So I was going to salt it before I do my video, but I thought, nah, take care of me first. If you're diet like me, if you're healthy like me, I get it. There's a talk here in Australia about possibly making it mandatory to get the injection, the vaccination. I told you guys, we're gonna get it. Now, at the moment, we can say nay, nay, no, 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 get away, get lost, leave me alone. But it's gonna eventually happen. Because guys, It's in the Bible. And the word is with God. It's God's word. My drink today is Kangen water and cordial. So, just ting. You know, my dad, he wasn't really raised with his parents. He was raised with his grandparents. His granddad was a pastor. Pastor Rimoni, way back in the days. Way back in the day. Yeah, people used to think that my dad will grow up like a lazy man, you know, no good baye. But that was far from the truth. My dad is so hardworking, you know, such a hard worker. I've never met a hard worker in my life. No, I did, but just wanted to give my dad a shout out. Yeah. Yeah, my mum was surprised because she said that when she heard stories about how he was really spoiled and didn't do any chores, she thought it was good that he grew up to be really hardworking. Our dad's work ethic so good. I'm sure your father's dad's work ethic was excellent, you know. That's why my dad, when we brought, if our partners had to have work, when he meets them, when he questions that they don't have work, he's going to go silent. And silent treatment means, get my gun. Nah. When I bring this book up, it's got some shout outs. Oh, what a lovely cordial. It's apple and raspberry. There's cooties. Cooties. Coots! I say cooties. That cordial thing will be like, she called us cooties. Sorry, coots. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. I'm such a freshie. Anyway, it's coots. Not cooties. Anyway, guys, I have a few shout outs to do. Okay. I don't know if you guys can remember me saying there's a channel called Easter and Yanga. Okay guys, go and show Yanga the gem, please. If you guys can go and show her some love, subscribe to her channel and watch what she has to show. She's really fun. I really like Yana. So Yanga, all the best girl. I know you can do it. Trying to get you to 1,000 guys, and maybe my viewers will come over, view your video, subscribe first though. Nah. Guys, whatabouti love it. And I want to say hello to Herman Beppe Tomasil. Yeah, when I said that I got stung by a bee, he goes, yeah, like the old saying of Muhammad Ali, fly like a butterfly, stings like a bee. That bee. Guys, I didn't tell you guys too. When it stung me, I went to see what stung me, and I felt it, and I squashed it. I squashed living daylights out of it. And then when I walked away, it fell down, or squashed to smithereens. So, but, oh, that thing there, oh, it was pulled out though, that little jab of a prick they left in my, over here, right here. Okay, and then I was telling you guys about the African meal that I had, and it's Ethiopian food. I forgot, because I couldn't remember what the name of the Ethiopian. That's why I just said African. But, Oh, it was such lovely food. And I didn't know what the name of the pancake was. They're soft. So I don't know if you guys have tasted it, but it's beautiful. Yeah. So Penny Shivaya said, so Penny, hi Penny. Thank you so much, Penny, for all your comments. You're such a supporting lady. Thank you so much. So that's Penny Shivaya. She said that flat pancake is called injera. And I appreciate you. And there was another lady that said the name too. So sorry. I must have not written your name down. How dare I? Okay. And I know you guys have been leaving me such awesome feedbacks and comments. So much. Oh, wait, okay, guys. I'm going to have some of this custard and pudding. You know, my mum, she loves this stuff. So, none of this I made. I went to a fob shop. Best viewers. I've got the best viewers, guys. You know that. You know that. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah, there was this comment that I thought about the family. She said that her and her family, they get together and they sit down and they watch my videos. Okay, and the name is Lavrel Samuels, and I just pictured them all sitting there, you know, like tuning in to watch my videos. Back to you, Poly Vibes TikTok, Andrew Gopilangi. So guys, I'm getting too old for this. I done a TikTok with my daughter and oh my gosh, I tried to take over and she didn't even want to upload it. She thought, Mum, please. That's a look bad there, can you? And they go, find my TikTok, find my TikTok, tickety-tock. Yeah, that's why Aussie guys, look how big the spoon is, right? Look how big I scooped it. The sausage is nice. There's not a whole lot of sausage, but all the sausage is stuck onto the whapapa, so you can really taste it. Good job. Well done, Blackett. Well done, Blackett. Yeah, you know what? Because we don't. It's so good that food is always available for us these days, eh? Not like before, we have to wait for our poor parents to make our food. We'll have to wait at church. Yeah. So, Laurel Samuels, Penny, Chibaya, Herman Beppe, Tamasel, Ianga the Gem. Did I say Andrew Blanc? Thank you all so much, and thank you to you guys too for leaving all your awesome comments. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Hope you guys got lovely food like me to eat. This virus is really tasty. The sauce is really nice. Really nice. The pudding is always my favourite, but this today wins. This the winner. This comes second. This the winner. This comes second. I fed only because I can't taste garlic. But it's cooked very nice. The meat is very nice and tender. And the pumpkin, of course, doesn't take long to cook. And it, mwah. The garlic, of course, oh, my poor dad. It reminds me of my dad. You know, the garlic got cracks on it. So good. Yeah, my dear dad. It's good that being raised from a pastor and being spoiled little brat. Falling a spoiled little brat. Yeah, and then he grows up and he's a hard worker. What an awesome man. You know, Fale Aliri's Botasi, he was highly respected there. You know, because they said that he goes in nguu. Because my dad made a plantation and then he shared it with the village. I don't know if everyone ate, but it was given and was told to share it. But these days, guys, everyone should have their own little, you know, growing stuff at the back. Grow. All you have to do is look for the elengi, the meat. I know, you guys are doing it. But there's some of you that don't plan to do it, but you do it. Anyway, my loves, thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with this old lady. It's not that old, okay guys? Not that old, just 21. I'm 21 every year, guys, every year. My beautiful sea. I got this at the airport. I bought it from the airport in Samoa. I saw it and I thought, oh, beautiful. And I got it. But you can get it all at the market. All at the market in Makiki, in Samoa. You can even get it online now, you know. Oh, beautiful. So, don't ever judge a book by its cover. Because that's delicious. Oka le maangaya. Oka le maangaya. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. I hope I didn't, you know, put you guys to sleep. And if you guys were sleeping while I'm talking to you, put down your name down the bottom. And I will find you, and I'll make it for spot if I see you. Wait, look. Yeah, I would fussy for all viewers. Oh, man. 1000%. This one, 500%. I like puddings or custard that you make at home. Because I find the boss one have a bit too much vanilla. But if you love vanilla, see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves, your family, and always send thanks to the good, loving Lord for all our food, all our clothes, all our drinks, all our everything. Okay, faso fua. That's for all of you. Wailoa, that's for being for awesome. Shh, don't tell David Tua. Wailoa.